Hi friends, today I am going to show you how we can batch convert uh, from SolidWorks part files to IGS and from IGS to Creo 2. So first of all we need a folder in which we have some SolidWorks part file. So here in example I have a folder configuration, and in this I have some 5 files. Okay, so first thing to keep in to remember is that here in file name it is space, there are space, and these brackets are there. So we need to keep file name simple, because when we import from IGS to Creo, uh, it won't allow you to have space in file names. So we should remove the space and special characters. So I'm going to simplify these file names first. These are all SolidWorks part file in a folder, which I'm going to convert all of them into IGS, and then from IGS to Creo 2. Okay, so let me, so one is done. Second, and also we should keep in mind that file name should not be too long, because Creo only allows up to some character limit, I think 14 or something. So if we have a very long file name which is allowed in SolidWorks, but in Creo 2 it won't allow, so it will automatically shorten your file names. But while doing this conversion by using this SolidWorks task scheduler and Creo batch 2, Creo distribution batch 2, we should simplify these file names and keep file name shorter, not too lengthy. Otherwise it won't convert back in batch by using these tools. Okay, sorry for background sound. So nearby lot of disturbance. Okay, so now I have almost simplified all file names and removed special characters and spacings. Okay, so now I want these all 5 files to get converted into IGS. So for this I am going to use this inbuilt SolidWorks tool, which is SolidWorks Task Scheduler. If SolidWorks is completely installed, you can find it here just by typing Task Scheduler. Okay, so here I am using SolidWorks Task Scheduler 2016. So I'll use export files, and I will choose IGS, and I will add these files here. So path is here UB08. So ref UB08 configuration. So these files I will add. Okay, so 5 files are added. Okay, I'll finish it, and then I will click here below progress. Again, now it's gone and it's automatically working. You can see a new window will open somewhere here on upper left corner, and it's working. Okay, so we can check here that these all files are now converted into IGS. Now I want this IGS to get converted into uh, Creo 2 format. Okay, Creo 2 part file. So for that, Creo, if Creo is installed, we should have Creo batch 2 installed. Okay, so Creo distributed batch 2.0, because I want it in a Creo 2 version. If you want it in a Creo 3 version, you should have Creo 3 installed, Creo distributed batch 3 installed. But for now I want it in a version 2. So I will open it. Already I have a window open here. Okay, so I will show you process again completely, how I will remove confirm. Okay, so I will have to start a new batch. Okay, I will double click on untitled, and you can save also with your name and again use it. So I need IGS to be get converted into part file. So here IGS 3D import of parts, I will have to select this part. Okay, 3D import of parts. Okay, now I'll click on this, and remember to choose this option DSM standalone, otherwise it won't work. Okay, now I will select object, and I will add this IGS 5 IGS files here. Okay, so these 5 files are added. You can specify output directory also, but I have chosen same directory as the input files, no problem. Now I will start selected group. Okay, let us see if these all 5 IGS get converted into Creo 2 or not. And it's working. It will take some time, but I'm sure it will convert. Let us see. Okay, you can see here one file has got converted, so 4 are remaining. बाबू आस्था आवाज मत करो, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ। अरे यार ये वीडियो मेरे से रिकॉर्ड करनी है। ए जरा चुप कर, जल्दी इसको बोल दे। So 60% is completed. Okay, so it's 100%, and there is one file which is failed. Let us check which file. Here this file is failed. So 4 are converted easily, but this one is failed. I don't know why. Let us try again. Remove the successful converted files and base integral feed also. Let us, I think file name is long. Let us check again if it's converting or not. It's working on it. If it successfully converts, this icon, this color will automatically change to blue. Still working. Okay, there is a space, I can see, therefore it's not converting it. You can see between base and this underscore there is a space, because Creo doesn't allow space, so we should rename it this IGS. Be careful in file namings, because if there is a space or any special character, this tool won't convert this. Now there is no space, also file name length is okay, sufficient, not too longer. Let us now check. I'm sure it will convert this file to Creo 2 part file now. Let us see. If not, then okay, it's converted. If not, then we should reduce the file length. Only because of these two reasons this tool won't convert. First, space or any special character in the SolidWorks file name. Second, file name is very lengthy, then it won't convert. These two reasons fail the procedure, otherwise it works fine. So I can see here the colors have turned blue, and already this IGS got converted into part file. Here I can check. So these, let us open this first file, which is 08B base mounted integral fit in Creo 2, and let us check if everything is okay. So I have already opened Creo 2 parametric. I will set working directory, which is I have that part file in here, configuration, okay, and I will open that integral fit, which is automatic converted. So you can see here this is perfectly converted, right? No purple lines, no yellow lines, means there is no surface or quilt like that. Everything is solid 3D. So this is converted. So this is all, guys, and you can find these already I told you, you can if SolidWorks task scheduler is automatically installed when you install SolidWorks, and you can search from here task scheduler, okay. And this Creo distributed batch, you will have to install it while installing Creo, because by default it is off, so you should be careful to tick it on while installing Creo. Then you can find here by searching his here as a batch Creo 2 here, okay. So these two tools convert from SolidWorks part file in a folder. There may be 100, 200, or any number of files, part file in a folder, to any format, IGS or step or whatever you need. Then from that format you can import it in a Creo by using this batch Creo distributed batch tool, this one, okay. So this is all, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.